playing Speedcubing Jenga. Gem's pulling, I'm solving this 4x4. 3, 2, 1, go. Speedcubing Jenga is a non-stop game in which players take turns pulling a block from the tower in real time. If you knock over the tower, you lose. However, it's not as simple as that. During the time you take to pull a block, your opponent will be solving a puzzle. I'm doing a 4x4 and Gem is doing a mega mix. If someone completes their solve, they instantly win, meaning you can't just take your time pulling. Welcome to an intense game of Speedcubing Jenga. Enjoy. Go.
Oh, done.
Oh, you have to put it on top. Okay.
Oh, sorry. I haven't played Jenga in so long.
Done.
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 Oh. Done.
Done.
Oh, I'm so lost. Done.
Alright. I don't think I'm beating him, so I'm just gonna hope that he just knocks the tower over. Oh god.
Yeah, then I'll just hope that you knock it down as well.
Oh my god. What? Nothing.
Oh, my look ahead is so bad.
Done.
Where do I even go?
Jesus. Oh my god, I can't see anything.
Oh. There's no way. Done. Okay. This is so fun, I love this.
I get nothing pulled out nicely. Oh god. Done.
Yeah, wait.
What am I destroyed my center. No.
Oh.
I'm on my... Oh god, I'm on one cross edge, and yeah, this is not going well.
Oh, that was risky. Oh. Done. You might be cooked.
Oh my god, how close are you to finishing? Oh no.
I'm still my S12.
Okay.
I feel like my look ahead just like dies every time I like have to stop.
Done.
Okay, wait.
you have to...
Oh god, no, this is bad. Oh wait, surely? Done. God, that felt fast, wait.
You can't pull from top 2 layers, that's the rule.
I don't know if I just did.
Done.
Oh no, I'm on last layer, wait.
No. Wait, okay, I'm not finishing this, that's the problem.
Oh. Oh, no way. Done.
Oh no.
Go on. I need to solve this now, wait.
Done.
Oh. I was in the middle of the last alg.
Well, good luck remembering where you were. No.
Done.
Oh, please just mess up the alg.
Oh no, I messed up, wait.
Done.
Stop.
Oh no.
GG. Wait, how close are you?
Not close at all.
Oh, that was really good.
One more?
Yeah.
So that's the end of the only game which actually played out well. I didn't just want to have a really short video though, so now enjoy a bunch of failed games, including some with Nick.
For round 2, I'm gonna pull first. Gem's gonna solve the 5x5. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Done.
Wait, this is a slow start. Oh my god. Done.
Done.
I'm not pulling that. Done.
Done. Oh no, I'm not done. Done.
Done.
Nothing's just done.
That is not a good move. Wait, that is brilliant. I'm done. Wait, I'm locking in. This might take a while, Nathan. Oh. Okay.
Done.
Done.
Oh my god. I destroyed half my centers. Oh no, oh no, oh no,
No.
oh no,
Don't
no,
fall.
please, please. I'll do one more.
Oh my
tiebreak.
god.
Oh no, oh you won two. Oh okay, well.
I'm down to do it.
Okay, so let's do one. Number 3, let's see if I can beat Jem for the first time.
Winner
This is
takes
going-
all.
This is going so badly. Alright, you're pulling this time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Done.
Am I just this bad at Jenga? Is this what?
I don't know if you have to be better at Jenga or cubing.
Done.
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 Gonna take this straight. Done. Oh, where was
Done.
I? Done.
Done.
What? Oh, but that was risky. Done.
Let's play it safe. Let's just grab that. Why did I choose this piece? Why? It's one hand, right? To take
Is it
over
one
piece.
hand?
Have you been doing 2
I've
hands?
been using 2.
Oh wait, what?
No.
Done.
My bad, my bad.
Okay, no, I'll do one. I'll do 2 now. You just
Okay,
do
okay.
2.
I feel. Oh! I got nervous. GG.
Cubing Jenga. Here's
We're still here playing.
Alright.
We need 4 scramblers on the blue and yellow stage.
3, 2, 1, go. God. This is not easy. Alright, done.
Done.
God. Done.
Done.
Once again, still plenty of empty spots on the yellow stage.
So they do this thing.
Still lots of people that need to be judging.
Like, take turns on the Jeep and do Jenga.
Done.
I started Jenga, so I've never tried, but it's pretty cool. Done.
What? This is crazy.
But is that first on the Jeep?
Okay,
Look at how much I've done.
Are you serious?
I did my first 2 centers on your first turn.
That is crazy. Okay, we're not using that take though. That's 3, 2, 1, go. Done.
Oh, I messed up this one. Done. Bro, you got lucky. I had to do a comp to fix my setup.
Done.
Oh. Done.
Done.
Game done.
This table's like I think it's the table's problem.
I got this far.
3, 2, 1, go.
I haven't even expected. Done.
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 Oh shit. You
You guys realize we're filming this, right?
No. Oh my god.
You won one.
Just like done in like less than a minute. Alright.